Imagine having billions of dollars, but still living in the same house you bought in 1958 for $31,500. Still driving yourself to work, still buying breakfast for $3.17. This isn't fiction. This is Warren Buffett, the world's most frugal billionaire. He was born in Omaha, the son of a stockbroker. But Warren wasn't obsessed with luxury. He was obsessed with value. While most kids were playing ball, 11-year-old Warren was buying his first stock. While teens blew their pocket money, Warren was reinvesting every dime. Let's go back. It's 1945. A teenage Warren buys a pinball machine for $25 and places it in a barber shop. Within months, he owns several. But instead of flexing, he reinvests. The same pattern repeats for the rest of his life. Buffett's life wasn't shaped by income. It was shaped by discipline. Saving wasn't an act. It was a mindset, a commitment to future freedom. According to the Federal Reserve, the average American saves only 4.6% of their income. Warren Buffett, on the other hand, invested over 70% of his earnings early in life, creating compound wealth that would one day make him the richest man on earth. Buffett often talks about his fortune as a snowball. He started young, pushed it down the hill, and let time and discipline do the rest. The trick wasn't in making $1 million. It was in keeping it, growing it, letting compound interest do its quiet magic. The chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. In 1988, Buffett bought shares in CocaCola. He didn't trade in and out. He didn't panic during recessions. He held it. Today, Berkshire Hathaway earns over $700 million a year from Coca-Cola dividends alone. That's the power of saving plus patience. Not glam, not hype, just discipline. Automate your savings. The first payment from your paycheck, it should be to yourself, not the mall, not Starbucks, not Gucci. Buffett lives in the same modest house for over 60 years. Why? Because it meets his needs. Don't fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. More income doesn't mean more spending. Before buying something expensive, give it 24 hours. Delay gratification. Buffett once said, "If you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you do." According to a 2023 Bankrate study, 63% of Americans can't handle a $500 emergency without borrowing. Not because they don't earn, but because they don't save. They live on the edge, paycheck to paycheck, while billionaires build buffers. You can't become financially free if every time you get a raise, your expenses rise with it. That's financial slavery in a Gucci disguise. In 2006, Warren Buffett pledged to give away 99% of his wealth to charity. But why didn't he spoil his kids with hundreds of millions? Buffett's real legacy isn't money. It's mindset, habits, principles. You don't need billions to be like Warren Buffett. You just need one habit. Save before you spend, then invest, learn, repeat. The earlier you start, the louder the snowball grows. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Warren Buffett. If you want freedom, build it. If you want peace, save for it. And if you want to build a legacy like Buffett, adopt his first habit. Live simply. Save ruthlessly. Hit like if you're planting your tree today. Share if you know someone who needs this wake-up call. And subscribe for more wealth wisdom that works.